Hey everybody, Eric here from Around 2 at RC, and tonight we're out at Myrtle Beach. It's past 10 o'clock and we're going to do some night flying. And check out that full moon we got going on over there. Pretty awesome. And guess what? We got the Typhoon 3D with an AfterDark light kit on it. So let's put it in the air and see what happens. Looking pretty good, isn't it? All right, we're gliding right now. The wind is kicking right now out here at the beach. I have no idea how fast it's blowing. I'm going to guess and say 20. But the plane's actually backing up right now.
You're kidding, I'd say more than 20.
Yeah, but look at it. The plane's in reverse. Look, it's backing up to us right now. Check that out. Woo, okay. Here we go. Back in forward gear.
Going that way.
Check it out. Pretty cool. Those are the lights on the plane are from AfterDark. That's a standard light kit that AfterDark sells. And the only thing I did to modify the kit was I put one long strip of white lights on the bottom of the plane, just to help with orientation. Probably didn't need it, but it just looks so much cooler that way. All right. Let's check out a couple of rolls here. Whee! Oh, let's go to high rates. Yeah! Low pass, here we come. Okay. Ta-da! Thank you. Pretty cool, isn't it?
Like it takes off like a
in this
real
kind of
plane.
wind for that thing to do what it was doing.
Oh yeah, yeah, it's great.
That's why I
I asked him, I said, are you going to be, it's very windy, you going to be able to do it? He said, yeah.
Oh
Been
yeah,
doing it for several years now.
yeah. Give me a
Sit here and watch it.
yeah, give me a second here, and I'll get it going for y'all one more time. This will be my last battery for today.
Well, I think you got a pretty big audience back there.
Oh really? All right.
We didn't know where to go.
There we go.
Pick my airplane.
But this is serious cool, man. This is serious cool. I mean, God. I mean, you dip and hook like that, and then just drop, stop.
I ain't flying with this wind like
You got to take it down to the harder sand.
Yeah, I'm testing everything.
It's styrofoam.
Yeah,
Yeah.
what I was looking at, this little styrofoam.
Yeah. Okay. Let me.
Well, ain't that one little styrofoam plane?
All right, here we go. I want to fly like that. All right, thumbs up on the night flight of the Typhoon with the After Dark lights. I hope you enjoyed the flight. As always, I'm glad you got to see me, and I'll see you later on the tube, okay?